Hello friends, in this video I showed you if your laptop or PC keyboard have any problem, any button not working. So friends, in this video I show you how can you open keyboard on screen. First simply you press Ctrl Window plus O. You see friends, use this keyboard shortcut. Very easily open a keyboard on screen. So if your keyboard have any problem or any button not working, then friends, use this keyboard shortcut. You can very easily open on-screen keyboard and can use. So friends, this keyboard shortcut useful for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.